Action! So if I say Bufis, what do you say?
I want to go. A dream.
It's kind of a disease.
It's an American dream.
If you see two Somalis, one of them is thinking Bufis.
Okay, and how does that affect life of young people?
You want to be somewhere else.
My friend who I used to be living in Isli or Kenya, we used to eat from the same plate, we used to have fun, we used to do everything together. But when he leaves and goes to America, then he posts pictures of videos, him having the good life. I'll get that feeling.
Okay.
I'll be depressed. I want to have also that life.
You are jealous, so you can die of this dream,
Of course.
of
If it
frustration.
doesn't come true,
Yeah.
yes, and you end up selling all your property.
So what do you think about this movie that we wrote today?
At a time it is comedy, at time it's a drama.
It's based on a true story.
The movie is talking about something that has happened to me and my family.
We did the pirate, it was being done, the Al-Shabaab terrorism is being done, but this one, no one was ever trying to do it.